In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. If your searches keep opening with Yahoo and you'd rather use something else, this walkthrough will show you how to switch your default search and clean out any Yahoo entries so they don't pop back up. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the Chrome menu, and then choose Settings. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, click Search Engine. This is where Chrome controls what the address bar uses for searches. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This page has two areas, your main list of search engines, and a section called Site Search. We'll adjust both to make sure Yahoo is completely removed. In the search engines list, look for Yahoo Search. If Yahoo is currently set as your default, you won't be able to remove it yet. First, pick the search engine you prefer, like Google or Bing. Click the three dots next to that engine and choose Make Default. Depending on your Chrome version, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that sets it as the default. Once you've switched away from Yahoo, go back to Yahoo Search in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete or Remove from List. If that option was grayed out before, changing the default unlocks it. Now scroll down to the Site Search section. Sometimes Yahoo shows up here as a custom shortcut. These entries can make Chrome trigger Yahoo even if it isn't your default. If you see any Yahoo items, remove them the same way by clicking the three dots and choosing Delete or Remove. To make sure everything sticks, restart Chrome. Fully close all Chrome windows and then reopen the browser. A quick way to do this is to use the menu again, choose Exit, and then launch Chrome like you normally would. After restarting, your address bar will use the search engine you selected, and Yahoo should no longer appear. If you don't see Yahoo anywhere in the lists, that's fine, it means it's already gone. Also, if you notice a message saying some settings are managed by your organization, you might be on a work or school device, and you may need help from your administrator. That's it, simple and clean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.